Hello everyone, I am Professor Anish Vora and I welcome you all in this video lecture. In this video lecture, we'll see simplification of SOP type of Boolean function using CAMAP but with don't care condition. So we'll see what exactly we mean by don't care condition and how simplification of CAMAP when we have don't care condition available, how it can be done. In normal SOP function, we know that it is standard or canonical type of SOP Boolean function. In that case, we can enter ones corresponding to the combinations of input variables which produce a high output, and at the same time we can enter zeros in the remaining cell of CAMAP. For some functions, the output corresponding to certain combinations of input variables do not matters. Meaning is, for a certain input combination, we can take output either 0 or 1. It doesn't matter. So any output either 0 or 1 can be taken. In such situation, we are free to assume a 0 or 1 as output for each of such combination, and this condition is known as a don't care condition. In CAMAP, this type of output we can consider either as a 0 or as a 1 as per our conveniency of simplification. In CAMAP, don't care condition can be represented with a cross. We know that we can represent minterms with ones. In all other cells we represent with zeros, but don't care condition we represent in CAMAP with cross sign. In Boolean function, we have given y is equal to summation m and minterms are given 1, 3, 7, 11, 15 plus d 0 to 5. So in this type of Boolean representation, this is our regular minterms and we can enter ones in CAMAP for all these given minterms. But this is known as a don't care condition, and we add or we write with d. D is for don't care condition 0 to 5, and we have to enter cross sign in CAMAP for all these given don't care conditions. Now let us take one example to simplify Boolean function. It is given f of abcd. So it is a 4 variable Boolean function, and summation m minterms are given 1, 2, 7 and 13 plus don't care conditions are given for 3, 5, 9 and 10. Meaning is, in 3, 5, 9 and 10 we have to put a cross sign, and it doesn't matter whether we consider as a 0 or 1. So we prepare our CAMAP with 16 cell as usual. We write variables AB, we give numbers 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. From 0, 1 we write 1, 0 here and 1, 1 we write at this point. So this should be very clear why we are doing this. Same way for variable CD, we write 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. We give equivalent decimal number to each cell. So 0 to 15 we are giving decimal equivalent number. The pattern of giving decimal numbers, that should be very clear. Now we write ones in the given minterms, that is 1, 2, 7 and 13, and we have written ones. Now next step, that is to put a cross sign in the cells which is given as a don't care condition, that is 3, 5, 9 and 10. So in 3, 5, 9 and 10 we have put cross sign. In all other remaining cells we have to put zeros. So now we have to prepare groups. If we see that we have been given minterms only 4, so that in 4 cells 1, 2, 7 and 13 we have entered ones. So quad is not possible. Even pair is not possible. So if we do not consider don't care condition, then we have to prepare a group of single ones, isolated ones. But now we can use this don't care condition as per our conveniency. Some of the cross can be considered as a 1. As per our conveniency, to prepare a group, we can consider cross as a 1. It is not necessary that we have to use all given don't care condition. We can use as much as don't care conditions as per our requirement. So now let us start making group with don't care condition. Suppose we prepare one quad. So if we use this both the don't care condition 3 and 5 as a 1, then we can prepare one quad like this. We have another possibility of quad. Again, if we use 5 number and 9 number don't care condition as a 1, then again we can prepare one quad. And if we use 10 as a 10 don't care condition, then one pair. This is a wrap around pair. This is overlapping quad. This is a wrap around pair. This can be prepared. We have used all the don't care conditions, but again I repeat, it is not necessary that we use all given don't care condition. We can use as many as we require. Now we have to write product terms for all the groups. We start with quad. So we can see that on the AB variables 0, 0 and 0, 1, it is shifting from 0, 0 to 0, 1. So 0 for A, that remains constant, and for B it is shifting from 0 to 1. So we will have to eliminate the B variable, and for A we can write the A bar because it is 0, 0. Same way for CD, it is 0, 1 and 1, 1, meaning is C is shifting from 0 to 1. So we will have to eliminate C, and for D it is 1, 1. So we can write D. So ultimately our product term becomes A bar D. When we use quad, we know that two variables can be eliminated. Now for the another quad, it covers entire row. When any of the group covers entire row, it eliminates both the variables. So A and B, both variables are eliminated. And for CD, if we see it is 0, 1, so we can write C bar for 0 and 1 for D. So product term is C bar D. And at last, for the pair, if we write product term, then we can see on the AB variables that it is shifting from 0, 0 to 1, 0. Meaning is A is shifting from 0 to 1. So A is eliminated. B is 0, 0. So B bar can be taken in the product terms. Same way on the CD side, it is 1, 0. So C, D bar can be taken. So product term is B bar, C, D bar. In the pair, only one variable can be eliminated. So ultimately we can write our final simplified Boolean function f of ABC is equal to C bar D plus A bar D plus B bar C D bar. We have prepared three groups, two quad and one pair. We have written product terms for each group, and then we have added all the product terms to make a final simplified Boolean function. we know the rules, we have to prepare as minimum as possible groups, and we have to cover all the ones. But now we have used don't care condition as per our conveniency to make a group of code if possible. If not, then for pair. And again I repeat, it is not necessary that we have to use all the don't care condition. Some of the don't care condition we can left as 0. So let us take one more example. Again, f of a, b, c, d. So 4 variables are given. Minterms are given summation m 1, 4, 5, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15. And we have given plus d. D is given for don't care condition, and the cell numbers, decimal numbers are given 0 to 78. So in 0 to 78 we can put cross sign for don't care condition, and don't care condition we can again use as per our conveniency as either 1 or as 0. Again I repeat, we do not need to use all the don't care condition if we do not require. If we require, then we can use. So let us prepare a K-map with 16 cell as usual. Variable AB, we have given numbers. CD, again numbers are given. Equivalent decimal numbers are given to each cell. Now we write ones in the specific cell where minterms are given. So in 1, 4, 5, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15, we have minterms 1 is given and we have entered ones in those cells. Now for don't care condition 0 to 78, we can enter cross sign. And in remaining cells, we have to enter 0. Now if we see, we first try to prepare octet. But here we can see that octet is not possible. Then we have to go for a chord. One chord with 10, 11, 14 and 15, that is easily apparent and that can be prepared. So one chord available. For remaining ones, only pairs might be possible. But now if we use don't care condition as per our conveniency, either as a 1 or 0, so some of the don't care condition we will use as a 1 to make our groups. Now let us see how we are preparing the groups. First, we have prepared one chord. In 1, 4 and 5 number of cells, we have given a minterms and so ones are available. We have used one don't care condition from 0 number of cell to prepare a complete chord. So this we have used. Then we have another chord for 5, 13 and 15 number of cell. One minterm is given and for 7 we have used don't care condition as a 1 to prepare our chord. And ultimately one chord was available, so we have used this. All the 4 chords are overlapping to each other, but none of the group is redundant. And we have used only 2 don't care conditions out of given 4. This 0 number of cell and 7 number of cell, 2 don't care condition we have used as a 1 to prepare our groups. Remaining 2 don't care condition, 2 number of cell and 8 number of cell, that we have not used and it is left as a 0. In don't care condition we have possibility, some of the don't care condition we can use as a 1 and some of the don't care condition can left as zeros. So these outputs are not affecting, that is why it is known as a don't care condition. Now after preparing groups, now we have to write a product terms for each group. So for this chord, if we write, then we can write A bar C bar. For this chord, we can write BD. In chord, we can easily eliminate 2 variables out of 4. And for the last chord, we can write product term as AC. We have prepared 3 groups So we have total 3 product terms available, and for the final output we can write f of ABC is equal to A bar C bar plus BD plus AC. So this is our simplified Boolean function, and we have used don't care condition as per our requirement. So thank you very much for watching my video. Keep watching. Thank you very much.